In this video, I'm going to show you how to bass boost in Adobe Premiere Pro using the best method, which is the Parametric Equalizer. If your audio sounds thin, weak, or doesn't have enough low end, this simple technique can instantly make it feel fuller and more powerful. Whether you're editing voiceovers, music, podcasts, or any other type of audio, this is a quick way to improve the sound without needing any extra plugins. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe if this tutorial helps you out, because I post more easy Premiere Pro tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and make sure your audio clip is already placed in the timeline. The first step is to select the audio clip you want to enhance. You can click directly on the clip in the timeline so Premiere knows exactly which audio you want to work on. Once the clip is selected, go up to the Effects panel. If you don't see it, you can find it by going to Window and then Effects. Inside the Effects panel, go to Audio Effects and then find Parametric Equalizer. This is the effect we're going to use because it gives you much better control over the bass compared to basic audio adjustments. Now drag Parametric Equalizer onto your selected audio clip. Once it's applied, go over to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see that panel, go to Window and then Effect Controls. In Effect Controls, find the Parametric Equalizer effect under your audio clip. Next to it, click Edit. This opens the full equalizer window where you can shape the sound more precisely. Now focus on the low frequencies. The main control you want to adjust is the low shelf gain. This is what boosts the bass and gives your audio more depth. Start by increasing it slowly. Don't push it too far all at once because too much bass can make the audio sound muddy, boomy, or distorted. Raise the low shelf, gain a little, then listen back and compare. The goal is to make the audio sound richer, not overwhelming. A small boost can often make a big difference. If you want a warmer sound, you can also make a slight boost around 150 to 250 Hz. This range can add body and warmth, especially for voice or dialogue. But again, keep it subtle. A little warmth is good, but too much in this range can make the audio sound boxy. The best approach is to make small changes and listen carefully after each one. If you're working with music, you may want a slightly stronger bass boost than you would for speech. If you're editing vocals, keep it cleaner and more controlled so the voice stays clear and natural. Once you're happy with the sound, close the equalizer window and play the clip from the timeline. Listen in context with the rest of your video to make sure the bass boost fits well and doesn't overpower anything else. You can always go back and fine-tune the effect if needed. That's really all there is to it. Using Parametric Equalizer in Adobe Premiere Pro is the best way to bass boost audio because it gives you control, flexibility, and a much more professional result. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Premiere Pro tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.